Welcome to the world of visual communication channels. If you're looking to boost your brand, understanding these channels is key. Think of them as different paths that connect your brand to people everywhere. Here's the scoop. What's a visual communication channel? Simply, it's where your brand and audience chat, like when you see a brand on Facebook or spot an ad on a billboard. Why it matters? Each channel has its own crowd. Knowing who hangs out where helps you speak their language. The big mix, online and offline channels are all part of the game. From social media to email and even billboards, there's a place for every message. Getting it right, tailor your strategy. What works on Instagram might not click on LinkedIn. It's all about matching your message with the right audience. User demographics. Knowing your audience is like having a treasure map. It guides you to where your brand's voice will be heard the loudest. Remember, the goal is to make meaningful connections. By choosing the right channels and crafting messages that resonate, you're on your way to making your brand shine. For those looking to dive deeper, check out our in-depth article at the Visual Pizza blog. Ready to turn your brand into a visual powerhouse? Let's get started.